everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can actually measure your shapes, right? So not just necessarily shapes. If you made a particular squiggly line across your document, you can easily measure that as well, right? So for this document, for this video, I have chosen an A4 size document. And I've given a name as well as measure tool. So also I would like to remind you all that just in case if you are unable to see all these tools on your screen, make sure that the essential classics options has been switched on from this drop down box below. Alright, so I'll first start by making a squiggly line across my document. To do that, I'll select my pen tool and just make a random line like that, right? Like this, and let me go back here, like that. And to get rid of the pen tool, I'll click on escape, right? So if you select this entire thing with the selection tool, you can only see the width and the height of the bounding box, which is right here. The X and the Y axis, it's actually the height and the width of the bounding box. But you don't want to know that. You want to know the total length of the line we just created, right? So in order to do that, we go to Window and click on Document Info, right? So when we do that and we click on this drop down box below and we make sure that this object option has been switched on. So once that's been switched on, and if I zoom in, unfortunately I can't zoom in to this box right here, so you can see that there is one path open, yes. There are 0 closed, means that it's an open-ended line that we've made. There are total 10 points in this entire line, and the total length is 1041.905 millimeters. So this is the entire length of our shape, and that's it. And this is how you can actually see the measurement of the shape that we have made. Similarly, like if you make a square or a rectangle like that, you can check the dimensions again by going back to Window, going back to Document Info, and you can see right here. There's total one path, there are 4 points, it's closed, and the total length is 227.702 millimeters, and that's it. So we can go ahead and also save our documents. So to do that, we go to File, click on Save As, and by default our documents will be saved in an Adobe Illustrator file. So I highly suggest that we first do that in this format, so that in case if we have to make any changes, we can do that by accessing our Adobe Illustrator file. Right, that's it. And now that we have come to the end of this video, I hope you found this tutorial to be useful, and with a little practice you will soon become an expert in measuring your illustrations. Thank you for watching and keep practicing.